Hello, this is Nancy with Amen Acres Homestead, and I just wanted to share with you today some inflation-busting Christmas ideas. Now, I don't think Christmas needs to cost a lot. I think that for just a little bit of money, we can create a keepsake ornament that you could have the rest of your life and love. All you need is an ornament of some sort, and you can use paint and do the child's handprint. You can do glue and do glitter and Elmer school glue. We put that on the bottom of my granddaughter's foot and put some sparkles on top of that after she pressed her foot on it. This is a keepsake that I will treasure for the rest of my life, which didn't cost a few dollars. I think something like this is truly, truly a wonderful gift. All you need is some ornaments that you buy from a crafting store, your choice. I liked the little rustic Christmas tree wedge. It has the rough edge on it. It's really cute. You need Mod Podge. It's not very expensive, a few dollars. These were four for like $4, three something. And I have here a really old photograph of my kids with Santa Claus, two of my kids with Santa Claus. This is going to make a beautiful ornament. All you have to do is get it to come out. There we go. And just rub it around on the ornament. Set the little photograph right there. Then cover it up with the Mod Podge as well, and it encases it and forever keeps it, which is what I did with the other ornaments. And as soon as it dries, it will be clear. And you'll have an ornament to keep for the rest of your life. Excuse me, I need a paper towel. I hope you're all feeling okay today. Getting along well in life. Here's another idea I had. These are Dollar Tree candles. They are $1.25 each. And I just took and cut some ribbon and hot glued it on. I have here a plain white candle, and I was going to melt it down and put it in this tin, but it did not melt well. I just want you to know those Dollar Tree candles do not melt well. So I took and I melted some beads that I have from a gift set my husband got me to make candles a couple of years ago. And I have it about 2/3 full, and I'm going to do another little bit and fill it up. The tin I already had. My son bought me tea last year for Christmas, and so I already had the tin. So this makes a really nice Christmas gift. No expense, and the beads don't cost much at all. You can go to any crafting store, Hobby Lobby, someplace like that, and get them. They're very inexpensive. You can buy these stickers at Dollar Tree, $1.25 for all of these stickers. Just a whole assortment. It's another way you could embellish a jar or a candle. You just peel this off like so. Stick it anywhere on there that you would like. Inexpensive. So you've got a total expense there of $2.50. I also bought some of these crafting bows, and I have a hot glue gun here. We'll put those on there in just a minute. Let's plug this puppy in so it can be warming up. I think we're going to put the bows on this one. Give it a little color, a little shine. All you have to do is trim off the edges of this. I think these were designed to be decorations for Christmas trees. So all you have to do is cut that off. There. Put a little dab of hot glue on it. It's not quite ready yet. Seems like technical difficulties are about all I have. There we go. And just put it wherever you'd like. I like the rustic country look. Well, I think that looks adorable. Now you could put more on here. Your imagination is all you need for something like this. You get all these different crafty ideas. You can buy a cheap little candle at Dollar Tree that's already ready to go. Put it in there. I have these little cups. Bought them for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. I have some hot cocoa and some teas in them. You could put a gift card in there or anything you want. It makes a lovely gift, and they can use these after and continue to use them for the year. So it's inexpensive and easy, something someone can enjoy. Just use your imagination and have fun with it. And like I said, these are my favorite Christmas gifts. I make some every year with my granddaughter's picture or something on it, and give it out to my kids and other grandparents and aunts and uncles, whoever wants one. And I think they're lovely. But I just did this one with my kids to show you. If you're new here, we're Amen Acres Homestead. Our mission is to show you that you can do something wherever you are. Do what you can where you are. Do what you can where you are. Where you are in life, where you are financially, where you are geographically, just wherever you are. We hope to be able to bring wonderful ideas that will help you and get you further along to where you would like to be in life. My husband and I are going to buy a piece of property and truly have a homestead, but we wanted to show you, nobody shows you the before they have the homestead. They show you after. We wanted to show you the transition and bring you along with us and show you some wonderful ideas along the way and just share things with you. My next idea was mason jar gifts, and I picked cookie gift mixes, and so you need to put a rolled up paper plate in it so that you can get the flour down to the bottom cleanly and the layers won't mix, because it just looks so much prettier like that. So it's 1 2/3 cup flour, all-purpose flour. And you need something like this to get it to go down in there. So that was 1 2/3 cup all-purpose flour. Next we have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We use the pink Himalayan salt. I think it just adds a lot of flavor to anything you put it in. Plus it's healthier. 1 1/3 cups of M&Ms or chocolate chips, or just anything that you want to use. 1/3 cup packed light brown sugar, and 1/2 cup granulated sugar. And that's all there is to it. You simply put the top on and the fabric of your choice. It doesn't screw down so easy sometimes. And then you just kind of pull it so it straightens up. And there you have the finished product. M&Ms, chocolate chips. I used Reese's Pieces in one, whatever you like. But there you have it. Isn't that a pretty gift jar? So please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon and share us on your social media. Subscribe, and we just thank you. We thank you with all our hearts for coming along with us and allowing us to show you things and share with you. And please comment and tell us things that you'd like to see or things that you find interesting. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.